These are the best travel Prime Day deals. I've scoured Amazon's biggest sale to find the absolute best travel gear at unbeatable prices. From smart luggage to tech essentials and more. First up, luggage and packing essentials. Meet the expandable carry-on suitcase with built-in USB charging. It keeps your devices powered up on the go, fits in most overhead bins, and is lightweight for easy travel. Originally $179, now just $89 for Prime Day. Compression packing cubes are a game changer for organized packing. They save space, keep clothes wrinkle-free, and make unpacking a breeze. Was $45, now just $19.99. Travel tip: use different cubes for outfits or accessories. At $19.99, these are a must-have for every trip. Never get caught with overweight luggage again. This digital luggage scale is lightweight, easy to use, and accurate. Down from $24.99 to only $9.99. It's a small investment that can save you big on airline fees. Grab it for just $9.99 this Prime Day. This TSA-approved toiletry bag is leak-proof, clear for quick security checks, and fits all your essentials. Was $18, now $8.99. Pair it with reusable silicone travel bottles. They're eco-friendly, easy to refill, and perfect for shampoo or lotion. Down from $15 to $6.50. For tech on the go, these gadgets keep you connected and powered up wherever you are. Check out these noise-canceling headphones. Enjoy immersive sound, block out engine noise, and travel in peace. Was $299, now $149. Perfect for long flights or busy terminals. Save $150 and upgrade your travel experience. A universal travel adapter with 4 USB ports lets you charge all your devices worldwide. Was $35, now $17.50. No more hunting for outlets in airports or hotels. Get it for just $17.50 this Prime Day. This portable power bank charges up to 3 devices at once. It's slim, fast charging, and essential for travel. Was $69.99, now $28? Never run out of battery on the road. 60% off for Prime Day, just $28. Is 60% off, just $28 from $69.99. A Bluetooth luggage tag tracker helps you locate your bags anywhere. Was $39, now $16.99. Peace of mind for every trip. This foldable laptop stand is portable, ergonomic, and perfect for working on the go. Was $29.99, now $13.99. In-flight comfort is crucial. Upgrade your seat with these wellness essentials. This memory foam travel pillow with cooling technology supports your neck and keeps you cool. Was $59.99, now $29.99. Arrive refreshed and pain-free. Grab it for half price this Prime Day. Compression socks improve circulation and reduce swelling. This 3-pack was $32, now $15.75. A must for long flights or road trips. Only $15.75 for 3 pairs. Hydrating face mist kit keeps your skin fresh and glowing during travel. Was $28, now $12.99. This sleep mask with built-in headphones blocks light and noise for better rest. Was $27, now $12.99. Pair it with this portable white noise machine for restful sleep anywhere. Was $34.99, now $15.99. This GPS luggage tracker gives real-time updates on your bags. Was $45, now $19.99. Never lose your luggage again. Only $19.99 for Prime Day. The portable door lock adds extra security to your hotel room. Was $25, now $11.99. This compact travel steamer keeps your clothes wrinkle-free on the go. Was $39.99, now $18.50. Look sharp for meetings or nights out. Just $18.50 for Prime Day. A mini first aid kit is essential for any trip. Was $22, now $9.99. Be prepared for minor emergencies. Only $9.99 this Prime Day. A travel jewelry organizer keeps your accessories tangle-free and secure. Was $25, now $11.50. See link in description to get full link of the best Prime travel deals.